The best way to log in or to test a user account is actually to log in using that particular account. So the best way to do this one is you have to log out from your primary account. So in this case, you see the menu at the top, so you have to log out. And then on the second image, where you see the username and password, that's the time you log in using the student account. In that case, you would be able to apply or test the username and password that was used during uploading or during adding the new user. In this way, you can verify to see if what they have entered is actually working or not. So once you're able to successfully log in, you should be see your dashboard where you can see all the courses, and this time you would be able to see only those subjects that you can enroll, and this particular role or this particular page will be dependent on the role that you're trying to log in. So in the case of a student, you will only see the list of courses.